With the success of the original Sci-Fi collection, Sound Ideas decided it was time to enter the next dimension. Series 8000 Warp 2 provides a whole new galaxy of aliens and futuristic, out-of-this-world sounds, all in a 3 CD package of 600 effects. Series 8000 Warp 2. Science fiction at its best. Sci-Fi Warp 3 from Sound Ideas. Expand your universe with extraterrestrial creatures, spaceships, communications, and alien worlds. This 3 CD collection offers more than 400 sci-fi sound effects and ambiences. A whole galaxy of out-of-this-world audio. Explore new life forms, intergalactic transmissions, and deep space ambiences. Warp 3 also offers electronic squeals, alien insects, and dynamic energy fields, plus servos, tractor beams, and scanners. Series 8000, Sci-Fi Warp 3, from Sound Ideas. Sounds incredible. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this is definitely an open and shut case. The Sound Ideas Series 9000 Open and Close Sound Effects Collection. If it opens and closes, it's here. Doors, windows, gates, latches, bolts, locks, and compartments. You name it, we've got it. With more than 6,000 sound effects on 12 compact discs, this is the ultimate collection of open and close effects. You be the judge. Here's the evidence. The Series 9000 Open and Close Sound Effects Library from Sound Ideas. The verdict is in. It's a winner. Case closed. Now you've got the whole world in your hands. Sound Ideas has your passport to 28 different countries and national regions with Ambience 3 Series 10,000. This library is a globe-trotting adventure that gives you 300 full-length ambience tracks on 14 CDs, from Australia to Russia, from Brazil to China, and many more. And 5 CDs that place you in the heart of the Big Apple, New York City. Here's a sample. In addition, there are more than 60 tracks of forest, rural, residential, construction, traffic, and other ambience backgrounds. In all, Ambience 3 packs in 850 minutes of exceptional ambient sounds. Now the world is in the palm of your hand with Ambience 3 from Sound Ideas. Strap on your helmet and get ready to face off. The new name in the game is the Sports Series 11,000 from Sound Ideas. This 5 CD collection is pumped and ready to go with over 2,000 tracks of heart-pounding, give-it-all-you've-got sports sound effects that put you at the heart of the action. With more than 30 sports represented, there's a full slate of extreme individual hits and impacts, live game action, player motions, equipment sounds, and much, much more. Take a listen. For the ultimate collection of awesome sports sound effects, take your first pitch from Sound Ideas, the sports series that hits a grand slam every time. Want your next production to make a splash? Then your ship has come in with Sound Ideas Series 12,000 Anchors Away Sound Effects Library. Anchors Away is full steam ahead with over 1,200 nautical effects on 15 CDs, showcasing 40 types of small boats, personal watercraft, racing, fishing, and excursion vessels. Anchors Away is all decked out from stem to stern with a full complement of exterior and onboard sounds, plus other related nautical effects. Here's a sample. Set sail with Anchors Away from Sound Ideas. It's the library that's making waves. Good news, your ship has come in. Ship Shape, the sister ship to Anchors Away, is now ready for boarding. Ship Shape is a host of large vessels meant for open waters and the high seas. Freighters and cargo ships, luxury ocean liners, barges, fireboats, icebreakers, a World War II PT boat, and a state-of-the-art naval frigate.
Now what Charlie stuff did ever go?
This 6 CD collection of more than 350 sound effects also boasts a full ship's complement of engine room, anchor, and equipment sounds and backgrounds, plus lift bridges, ocean waves, and harbor ambience. Ship Shape, Series 13,000. Big boats, big sound. The best collection afloat. Available only from Sound Ideas. The first in a new series of high-resolution sound effects libraries available from Sound Ideas, the Series 14,000 collection offers 300 superb ambience tracks in contemporary settings. A wide variety of indoor and outdoor urban public places are represented in this collection, along with many rural and natural settings, and a practical set of room tones. Ambience 4 from Sound Ideas, recorded completely in 24-bit 96 kHz and provided in 3 formats: CD audio and 2 broadcast wave file formats on DVD-ROM, the original 2496 and also 2448. The audio of the future from Sound Ideas.
The Series 15,000 Surround Sound Library from Sound Ideas is a wide-ranging collection of multi-channel surround sounds originally recorded at 24-bit 96K. It includes surround sound ambiances from many different places, including airports, amusement parks, train stations, printing plants, and warehouses, and surround sounds from different locations, including Antarctica, Egypt, Hawaii, New York City, farms, forests, and mountaintops. In all kinds of weather, including rain, wind, and thunder. Series 15,000 provides more than 5,900 multi-channel files for more than 1,000 sound effects available on hard drive for either Mac or PC in 2496, 2448, 1648, or 1644-1 format. Series 15,000 surround sound effects is only available from Sound Ideas.